What's up, software engineers? Welcome back to our second lesson, how to deploy FastAPI. Well, in the first part, we've prepared server. Now we should push our code to our GitHub repository. I hope you all have GitHub repository. It means I have one change. So what we're gonna do, git add all, git commit. By the way, if you don't know how to use GitHub or you just started to use a GitHub, you may also leave a comment on the section below. We will prepare some kind of lesson to cover all of the GitHub. Now just simply git add push, git commit. We have committed the change. Now we're going to push the code. The change is done. The server we have prepared. Let's connect to it. I hope you still remember how to get connected to the server remotely. SSH, root, and the IP address of the server. Copy paste the password. We are in. It's empty server, as you know. It means nothing for now. Let's go back to our repository that explains everything how to do it. Learn deploy FastAPI project. We have been in we have done the sixth one, and now clone your FastAPI project from your GitHub. Before cloning, there's one more issue. Clone it. Wait. Now we are getting a problem. Permission denied. How are we gonna solve it? We will connect our server with our GitHub using SSH key. It is the most reliable way to connect to any kind of GitHub repository. Connect server to Git with SSH key. I already prepared this repository for you. What we're gonna do? First, we're gonna check, do we have or not? Copy and paste. It means we have, but it doesn't have any kind of connection with this command. It's my email. You should use your own email. After creating, don't put any kind of password, just press enter. I will explain you why. When you write something, it every time asks you to repeat the password. It's very annoying. If you just press enter, it will save empty passkey. Whenever you just git clone and git push from your server, it doesn't ask any kind of passkey, and the work will be done as natural without any kind of headache. Now we will activate SSH agent. Agent is activated. We're going to add what we have created right now to that agent. We have added it, identity added. Okay, now show us the key. It's showing us. Just copy till the end this line. After copying, it says we did it, we have copied. Open your GitHub, go to settings. Where is the settings? Settings are here. SSH. We're going to add new SSH key, and what we have copied, just paste here. That's it. Confirm it. Now we have to check. Have we connected or not? Oh, the connection was closed. We must reconnect to our server. We just wait. Okay. Hi Shokhroch, authenticated. We have done it. Now we can clone. Code, copy, git clone. Cloning is finished. Let's check what we have here. ls. This is our project, CRM back. It's a folder name. We're going to get inside back, and let's check what files we have. Well, Docker file, Alembic, app, and everything related to our project. The problem is we don't have most important files. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Docker compose and environment variables. Why we didn't put this all into our GitHub? Because this information are sensitive. We don't really want it would be shown to everyone that can get in and see. Passwords like you use and manipulate your data. So you had better put them in your git ignore file. Ignore them. Ignore all environment variable files and Docker compose, because some of them may be used in Docker compose file. So what we're gonna do, we create them manually in the server. How we gonna create it? Again, our server got out, we must reconnect. Okay, you have your own project ready and your Docker compose file and whatever related to Docker. So where we gonna find it? For this kind of situations, in case I already prepared GitHub repository, you can access it, and this is the complete Docker compose YAML file. Use the command of nano and write the folder, the file name docker compose.yaml and paste. Ctrl X and just press the letter Y to save and enter. That's it. Now let's check with command cat. We check how it looks. Everything looks nice, nothing is missed. Now we're going to create .env file, the place we're going to put our environment variables. Copy and paste. Postgres username, Postgres password, or your database name. For me, I only have to change this place. Instead of localhost, place your service name. I have put the description here. You can follow this one. What I'm talking about, which service name. This is the services, and for database you use this one. You may put like MyDB or my database. Whatever you write here, you must write that service name here instead of localhost. For now, just keep it as simple as database. Everyone knows what service it does. Database. It's a service of database. After add, we write database. Postgres username, Postgres, yeah, it's correct. Postgres password, it's 1, yes, it's correct. And Postgres database name, CRMDB, yeah, everything is correct, everything is working. This like asset folder, for now you don't really need this, but my project requires this all folders I use. So everything is okay here. Now we're going to Ctrl X and press Y to save changes. As you can see, guys, everything is finished. We are done. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Wait for the third part. In third part, we're going to cover everything related with Docker.